Welcome to another episode of Cook Up series with Amba. I am your host, Blessing Takim, aka Amberlin, or Amba for short. Previously on our channel, it was all about afang soup cooked with vegetable oil. You need to see reactions, eh? Anyways, I'm so happy to be with you guys again because today our emphasis is going to be on every plate counts. Now, how does this happen? Well, we will be making white rice, stew, fried chicken, and fried plantain at its corner. Lest I forget, if it's your first time here, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe, share the video with your friends, and turn on your notification button. It is completely free. Okay guys, we have our rice which is being washed. We have our vegetable oil, we have our chicken, we have our spices, thyme, curry, seasoning, dry pepper, salt, we have our onions, we have our plantain, we have our tomato puree, and we have our fresh tomato blended. Okay guys, we're going to start by boiling our rice. Into the pot goes the rice. We now move to our chicken. We have to parboil the chicken. Into this pot goes the chicken that is being washed with salted water. Go check our chicken, which is boiling nicely. Wow, this is so juicy, it looks so nice. I think the chicken is ready, so all we have to do is turn off the heat, take the chicken out to a strainer. A frying pan placed, and you turn on the heat on very low heat because you don't want your chicken get burnt. Vegetable oil, just enough amount to fry the chicken. You allow the oil to hot a little, not so very hot, but let it just be hot. Okay, we now move over to our rice, which I think is ready. Let's check the rice. Wow, our rice is ready. Now turn off the heat. It's ready to be served. Okay, oil is ready. So you have to put it in the fry on very low heat. On low heat, add the vegetable oil, okay. Now our frying pan is already on heat, on very low heat. We're going to fry our plantain. Put on some vegetable oil. Okay, now let's check our tomato. Wow, now it's time to add the chicken stock. Add some more spices. Alright, now it's time to add our fried chicken to the tomato. Okay, now we have to check the stew. which of course is boiling so nicely, looking so delicious. And the chicken, oh my god, wow. You have to taste for seasoning if everything is okay. Yeah, the stew is ready. Turn off the heat and ready to be served. Okay, now our plantain is ready, looking all golden brown, ready to be served. Just turn off the heat. Now our food is served. Of course, you know every plate counts. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to on your notification button. God bless you. See you on our next episode. Bye bye.